Hello kids, welcome to our English class where learning is so much fun. With the phonics letters, we have learned to read and make different words. Yes children? Very good. Because A, E, I, A, E, I, all are vowels. All are vowels. They help us to read. They help us to read and sing aloud various words. Now it's time for all of us to read aloud. Let us read aloud. Children, in the previous class we have learned and read various words. Why not to use them in the form of short phrases or short sentences? Let's see. In this picture, a girl is eating a bun. Anju, A-N-J-U says Anju. Anju eats a bun. Anju eats a bun. Look at this sun. Can we make any sentence? Yes. I saw a sun. I saw a sun. I saw a sun. Let's look at this picture where two boys are playing together with a gun. Let's read the sentence. He runs. He runs with toy gun. He runs with toy gun. Come to the next sentence. Let us read. I have a nut. I have a nut. Now look at this hut. Let's read a sentence. T-H, the, T-H-E-R-E says there. There is a hut. There is a hut. There is a new word for you. But we try to read it nicely. Good. There is a hut. Let's look at this cup. Now, the bug is on the cup. The bug is on the cup. Very good, children. You all were so confident while reading. We have read so many sentences. Let us practice more sentence reading. Till then, I will say goodbye.